Turbo-tastic, guys. It's Turbo, and today I'm just gonna make another video. It's just that this is so famous. This is gonna get so much views. Are some people doing the Russian dance now? Like I've been here for so long. Imagine if I stay here for so long and I get disconnected. I don't think that's possible. How do you join this? Just go somewhere. There's a giant space right beside Little Nightmare Boy 1 and Freak or Sizzy. Sorry if I mispronounced it, but there's a lot of space over there just to do the parrot party. You're gonna go on YouTube maybe. You gotta go? Okay, fine, you can go. Bye! Alright. But what the heck? She just scanned a lot of things over and over again for some reason. Oh no, some people may possibly be leaving. What is happening now? This gotta be a world record. It's an endless party. We're starting to go in a circle, guys. This is gonna be so famous. I hope that this goes viral, guys. Subscribe. I was kind of being funny by saying that, because look at this. This has to go viral. Subscribe to my channel. Give it as much views as you can. Watch it so many times. Because this is just crazy. It didn't just get even crazier. Look, now it's a circle. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm really bored now. Are you sure? Maybe it's starting to get a little boring, but this is still crazy. If someone would pay me to do $100 just to do this for 5 more minutes, I'd definitely do that. Okay, I think anyone would be doing that. The world is gonna be cured. Yes, it will be cured. COVID will be gone. Okay, let's go play duos. Coronavirus is no more. This is the circle of life. It will when we dance. Hashtag feet apart. Nothing can stop us. This is peace. Let's do a mega surfer. No, we should not. Coronavirus is no more. This is glory. This is dun dun dun. This is the best circle ever. Yeah, I agree. Right now it is. Should I move? I've a lot, so I don't really care, someone said. Or something like that. World peace shall come to us. God, bring us life. Whenever, whatever, let's go. God, bring us life. When will this end? God, bring us life. Oh my gosh, he's spamming God, bring us life. By them. The world matters. We matter, everyone. Everything has a purpose. But one thing. Yay. War. What? War does not. It will never end. Dance party have a purpose. You're right, it does. Why does it have a purpose? Lol. this is just gonna go. This is going forever. Only the world. Just reading all these things. Oh wait, what happened to the circle? What happened to the circle? Oh, now it's gonna go into a little circle. Who has military base? I do. Look at my third box. I do. The game will sadly be changed, but with better stuff. Have some live things here. God shall give life. What is it with people? Oh my gosh. Azu God, by the way, 3 is talking a lot about God, but it's okay. It's honestly okay. Now it's just going into a big bunch. Or what the heck? War shall not happen. We will never happen to our world. If we are all friends. Life. U.S. versus China. What is it with the versus now? Men, woman, everyone. Hashtag. What is that? Everyone matters. Perfect. You said it. Didn't you? How crazy is this? But now it's starting to get slow. My speech is done. The world shall be together. Oh, it's starting to fall apart now. Alright, well, it's kind of gone, I guess. Well, it was really fun to do it, but guys, I'm going to have to go now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you did. Don't forget to like. Oh, I'm the last one. I'm the last one standing, sir. Look, I'm the last one standing. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you did. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another Turbotastic video. But guys, I am Turbotastic, signing off so you never miss another Turbotastic video. So, bye-bye, thumbs up, love you, and subscribe. Bye, Turbotastic.